So we're going to show you how to take your yellowed plastic headlights and make them look at least somewhat close to new in just a matter of minutes. So all these lights are out of my 2003 Astro van. Now, it is much easier to do them with them out of the vehicle. You don't have to take them out of the vehicle if you don't want. You can tape around them, and probably what's going to take you the longest is either taping around them or taking them out. Now, I already had these out of my van because I've been working on the front end of it, so I thought I might as well do this before I put them back in, and why not do a video on it? Now, there's all kinds of ways you can actually tackle doing a project like this. We see all kinds of things about using bug spray, peeing on it, and all kinds of things. I don't know if any of that stuff actually works because I never tried it, but the things that I've tried that I know do work is you can just polish them. You can use anything you have laying around, from just metal polish, plastic polish, rubbing compound, or even toothpaste. But you have to remember, when you polish something, you're abrading it. It's kind of like sanding it, right? You're abrading the surface and you're taking material off. So you're leaving that surface exposed, and you got to do something to protect it. Now, you can throw just wax on it and it will last much longer than doing nothing, but it's still going to, about every oil change, you're still going to have to hit them again. But if you buy the headlight coatings that you can buy at the parts stores, they will last much longer. Now, in this case, what I did was I wet sanded them and hit them with clear coat. Now, I didn't even put that much effort into this. I'm going to show you on this headlight how little time and effort it really takes to brighten these things up and make a huge difference. Now, my van has been sitting for quite a while, so it's got a bunch of crud on here and it's pretty dirty. So you want to start out by just cleaning it. This is just some orange cleaner that we mix up, and just get it clean. Get all that crap off of there as your starting point. We're going to do this in real time just to show you how easy it is to do and how quick it can be. Now, I'm not going to do anything fancy here. I'm not even going to use water. I'm just going to use a little bit more orange cleaner. It's a liquid. It'll work. This is 1000 grit wet dry sandpaper that I actually already used on a lot of other stuff. And you just can wet sand it a little bit. The hardest part is these have those little nubs sticking out, and you got to work around those. But you just wet sand it a little bit, and I can show you just the difference just from doing that. What was that? 30 seconds? It's already looking a whole lot better. So you just go over it until you get what you think you're happy with and is good enough for you. In my case, I'm not going crazy on these because I don't believe this van is going to last me that much longer. Now, this will go clear once you actually clear coat it. It's going to be dull simply because you sanded it. Now, you can use any kind of clear you want. The better clear you use, the longer it's going to last. Like if you use a 2K clear versus just some enamel from the hardware store. Because the cheaper it is, the more likely it's going to chip off with rock chips and not last in itself. So in my case, I've got several cans of this just engine clear sitting around, so I'm going to use it. Is it going to last as long as some of the other stuff? No. Will it last long enough for what I needed to do? Yeah. So we just basically just clear. You're going to paint it like you'd paint anything else. Now, it is a bit humid out, so what's going to happen here is it's going to kind of initially haze a little bit and look a little foggy, but as it dries, it will clear up. All right, so you can see as it's been drying, it's getting super clear now. Now the other one didn't get quite as clear because it was a little bit more hot and humid the other day when I did that one than it is today. So yes, humidity matters when you're using a paint like that. But like I said, you can make a huge difference in just a short amount of time. It'll take you more time to take these lights out of your car or to tape around them so that you can do it.